Peace and love to the fam. What's going on? Today I want to talk about what's stopping you from getting to the bag. What's stopping you from achieving success? You see all these other people out here succeeding, being successful, making money, enjoying life. But what's stopping you? What is holding you back, right? So, quick story about 2 years ago when we first started our online journey, I was seeing a lot of people win. I was seeing a lot of people make money and those type of things. I wasn't yet making money, though, at that time. But my mindset, I felt rich, I felt, like I had the money, you know what I'm saying? I was practicing visualization every day, just studying the right mindset, trying to be around the right people, And in time, we ended up creating a very profitable e-commerce business that did over $200,000, right? Now, I wouldn't have got to that next step. I wouldn't have made that leap that I made without having the mindset, because seeing all these people win, seeing your peers do incredible things, can kind of deter you, can kind of take you away from your own success. You're starting to worry about what they're doing, worry about the bags that they're getting, right? But it can deter you from actually leveling up, getting your own success, achieving your own success, right? So what I had to do was focus on me. Focus on me. I stopped being envious of, what other people had, what other people were doing, and I started cheering them on. I started, congratulating them and being genuinely happy for them and genuinely happy for their success. On top of that, another thing I began doing was reading books. Now, I started reading books about 5 or 6 years ago, but I really got into books like heavy about 2 years ago. Self-development books, because I wasn't always able to be around successful people all the time. So in order to bridge that gap, I had to find a way to listen to success every day, fill my mind with success every day. And that came through reading books, watching YouTube videos, like, positive YouTube videos, things like that. But I say that to say your mindset will take you there. Your mindset will get you over that bridge to that next level of success, all right? So always feel yourself into success. Feel yourself there right now. Feel yourself making $1 million. Feel yourself being 100% healthy. Feel yourself in the position you want to be in, and the universe is going to bring it to you. I'm telling you now because I'm living proof that when you visualize, when you feel things, when you speak about yourself in a good light and you feel good things will happen. So if you feel like there's a blockage or a barrier or something like that, just shoot me a message and let's talk about it. Like, I'm here to give value. I'm here to help those of y'all out that, might be in that area of your life where you're so close. You feel it, but you just haven't hit that plateau. You just haven't hit that peak yet, And that's cool. That's cool because it's coming, but you got to believe that it's coming. And you got to feel it. It's all mental. So for those of you that are stuck in a rut or, whatever your issue might be, start reading more books of successful people that you want to model your life after. Start doing that. Watch more YouTube videos. And I'm not talking about like, the Ratchet World Star type videos. I'm talking about videos that are going to do something positive to your life. Videos that are going to add value to your life. Videos that are going to put an extra couple of zeros at the end of that comma. You feel me? Like, I'm talking about videos like that are going to help you to level up and take it to the next level, Surround yourself with that, because I know a lot of y'all don't have access to, these mentors and these big dogs and these people that are doing these things. But if you don't, watch YouTube, read books, connect with people on Facebook, connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're watching this at, and start to change your circle around. You know, start to change your circle around and feed yourself every single day with that knowledge, because that's what I've been doing in my life, and my life has changed tremendously. So with all that being said, y'all be blessed. Remember, it's all about your mindset. Believe that you can do it. Feel yourself in that position. Take action and watch what happens. That's it, y'all. Peace and love.